If you just bought an xTool F-Series laser or similar, you're probably wondering what you should start selling first. And while there are hundreds of products you could make, not all of them are worth your time. So instead of showing you everything your laser can engrave, I'm going to show you the 5 products I'd actually recommend selling. They're quick to produce, easy to customize, and best of all, they have a real bulk order potential that can help you grow your business. Before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Jose and I own Summit Imprint, where we specialize in custom promotional products and leatherette patch hat. I've spent the last few years learning what actually sells, and today I want to save you that trial and error. The following products I'm about to show you can be made with just about any laser, but they're specially well suited for gavel style machines like the xTool F series. One thing you'll notice throughout this video is that I'm not just going to talk about engraving. For every product, I'll also explain who buys it, why it sells, and why I think it's worth adding to your lineup. Starting off with what I think is one of the most underrated products you can make with a gavel laser, engraved pens. They're inexpensive to source, incredibly fast to produce, and almost every business can use them. Whether you're selling to realtors, contractors, medical offices, schools, or local businesses, custom pens are one of those promotional products that never really go out of style. One of the biggest upgrades you can make to your workflow is using a simple jig. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A jig keeps every pen perfectly aligned, so once you've dialed in your settings, you can engrave with confidence knowing every logo will be in the same spot. One of the mistakes I see beginners make is engraving one pen at a time. Once your settings are dialed in, fill your jig with as many pens as it holds. Your laser is not going to care if you're engraving 1 or 6, but your production speed definitely will. Between a good jig and engraving multiple pens at once, you can produce a surprising numbers of pens in a short amount of time. That's exactly why I like this product so much. Businesses almost never order just one. They're usually ordering in higher quantities like 25, 50, 100, or even several hundred at a time. That means less time chasing new customers and more time serving the customers you already have. Pens are also one of the products that businesses reorder over and over again. Maybe they hire new employees, or they're getting ready for a trade show, or they're simply running low. Either way, it creates opportunities for repeat business, and that's exactly what you want when you're trying to build a sustainable business. So who should you be marketing these to? Honestly, almost any business can benefit from custom pens, but here are a few that I'd target first. Realtors are consistently networking, hosting open houses, and meeting new clients. Custom pens are an affordable branding tool that keeps their name in front of potential buyers and sellers. Contractors and home service businesses. These businesses are always leaving behind estimates, invoices, or paperwork. A branded pen is a simple way to look more professional and keep their business top of mind. Lastly, medical and dental offices. Patients are always filling paperwork every day, which means pens are constantly being used and replaced. They're one of those products offices reorder on a regular basis. The second product on my list is leatherette patches and hats. And honestly, this is the product that completely changed my business. If you watched any of my videos before, you know I'm a little biased because custom patch hats are one of my favorite things to make. One of the biggest things I've learned when engraving leatherette on any machine is to keep it perfectly flat. Even a slight lift can affect your focus and lead to inconsistent results, especially when you're engraving several patches at once. After engraving, I like wiping every patch down with LA Awesome Cleaner. It removes any residue left behind from the engraving process and really helps the contrast stand out before pressing it onto a hat. So who would I market to? The short answer, almost any business that has employees or wants to promote their brand. For example, construction and trade companies, HVAC contractors, plumbers, electricians, roofers, and landscapers are some of my favorite customers. Their crews wear hats every day, and custom patch hats instantly give them more of a professional look while advertising their business everywhere they go. Golf courses and tournaments are another great market. Whether they're buying from you to sell in their own shop or ordering for a tournament, they're often buying in larger quantities and are always looking for quality merchandise. Local businesses. Honestly, don't overlook local businesses. Realtors, insurance agencies, gyms, detailing shops, barber shops. Almost every business can benefit from branded hats. For employees, giveaways, or customer appreciation events. The reason I love making custom leatherette patches and hats isn't just because they engrave well. It's because they help businesses represent their brand in a way people actually wear every day. And honestly, seeing someone proudly wear something you made is a pretty cool feeling. And when you focus on delivering a quality product and you take care of your customers, those relationships often turn into repeat orders down the road. For our third product, we have keychains and bottle openers. These are some of the easiest products to get started with because they're affordable, quick to engrave, and there's a huge variety of blanks available. Whether you're making them for businesses, gifts, or events, they're a great addition to your product lineup. Just like with the pens, a simple jig is going to save you a ton of time. Once your blanks are lined up, you can engrave multiple pieces with consistent placement every single time. When you're first starting out, don't feel like you need to stock every style available. Find 2 or 3 designs you really like and test them with your customers. Once you know what's selling, start buying those blanks in bulk. It'll simplify your inventory and help you keep costs down. So who would I market these to? Here are a few businesses I'd start with. Realtors are always looking for memorable closing gifts. A custom keychain or bottle opener is affordable, practical, and keeps their branding in front of clients long after they've moved in. Car dealerships. Dealerships hand out keys every single day. A branded keychain is a simple upgrade that adds a more professional touch to the customer experience. Breweries, restaurants, and wineries. Bottle openers make the perfect merchandise. They're functional, easy to customize, and are super inexpensive. The fourth product I'd recommend is metal business cards. They're one of those products that immediately grab people's attention and leave a lasting impression. While they might not be for every business, for the right customer, they can be an incredible branding tool. Keep your design simple. One thing I've learned is that simple designs almost always look the best. Bold logos, clean text, and plenty of contrast tend to produce the best looking finished product. One feature I really like adding to a metal business card is a QR code. It can link directly to a website, portfolio, booking page, or social media. It's a simple addition that makes the card much more interactive while still keeping that clean, premium look. So who should you be marketing these to? I'd focus on businesses where first impressions really matter. Attorneys and financial advisors. These professionals build their business on trust and professionalism. A metal business card reflects that premium image and immediately feels different from a traditional paper card. Detail shops and luxury automotive businesses. If someone spends thousands of dollars protecting or customizing vehicles, they understand the value of a presentation. A metal business card fits that same premium experience. One of the things I like most about metal business cards is the reaction people have when they receive one. It's not something they expect, but it leaves an everlasting impression. For my fifth and final product I recommend you sell is wooden cutting boards. These products have a timeless look, they're fun to make, and they give the opportunity to create something that people will genuinely enjoy for years to come. Test different wood species. One thing you'll learn pretty quickly is that every type of wood engraves differently. Maple, bamboo, walnut, and acacia all produce different results. So don't be afraid to run a few test engravings before starting a customer order. Let the wood do the talking. When it comes to wood product, I think simple designs almost always look the best. A clean logo, a family name, or a meaningful quote lets the natural beauty of the wood stand out without making the design feel too busy. Now I know you probably noticed that I've mentioned realtors in almost every category, but that's intentional. Realtors are constantly looking for ways to stay top of mind with their clients, whether it's through closing gifts, promotional items, or branded merchandise. When you become their go-to person, you're not selling just one product. You become someone they trust. That relationship can lead to repeat orders, referrals, and introduction to other businesses they work with. Corporate gifts. Many businesses give personalized gifts to employees, clients, and partners throughout the year. Wood products offer a premium feel while it's still being practical. I enjoy making wood products because they're often tied to special moments in people's lives. Whether it's a closing gift for a new homeowner, a wedding present, or a personalized gift for a family member, you're creating something that's meant to be used and remembered. Now let's wrap everything up with a little piece of advice. I want to encourage you to think bigger and explore promotional products as a whole. Once you get comfortable with your laser, you'll realize almost every blank becomes another opportunity to create something unique. Whether it's slate coasters, journals, tumblers, bottle openers, nameplates, or even awards, adding a variety of products allows you to better serve your customers and keep your business growing. Build around your customer. When deciding what products to add next, don't just ask yourself, what can my laser make? Ask, what would my customers need next? Who should you be marketing promotional products to? Honestly, just about every organization can benefit from them. Whether it's local businesses, schools, nonprofits, sports teams and clubs, event organizers, they are all looking for a way to promote what they do, sell, or who they are. At the end of the day, it's not about having the biggest product catalog or the most expensive equipment. It's about creating products you're proud of and building relationships along the way. If you can do those two things consistently, You'll be surprised how far your business can grow. Hopefully this video gave you a better idea of where to start with your new laser. If there's one thing I want you to take away, it's this. You don't need to master every product right away. Pick a few products you genuinely enjoy making, learn them inside and out, and focus on delivering a great experience for your customers. As your confidence grows, your product lineup will grow with it. I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these 5 products are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. My goal with this channel is to help you get the most out of your laser, avoid some of the mistakes I've made, and hopefully make starting your own laser business just a little bit easier. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.